Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download Amazon Prime Video. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. Now just wait. Now on the search bar, click on it and search here Amazon Prime. Now go to here Prime Videos for Windows. Now click on Get and just wait. It will take a few seconds to download. So it is getting ready. So let it be. Now as you can see, it is showing as open. Now click on it. So here you can see the Prime Video is launched. Now you can sign in and enjoy watching the Amazon Prime Video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.